are demolishing the old General Motors building. We are in Sleepy Hollow, New York, at the old General Motors plant. The Hudson River is behind us, and the construction of the Tappan Zee Bridge is going on while we're doing this job. There's a couple phases to the project. So the first phase was actual demolition. The second phase is the utility work, 6 phases total. The recycling process is we take the building out of the ground, bring it up into this parking lot, take all the rebar out of it. We take the steel and we send it to recycling facilities. We are taking the concrete and then we send it to the crusher. The crusher breaks it down into smaller items and it turns it into a 3/4 stone, 1 1/4 stone, and dust product, and recycling it, making products that we are going to use on the site again. With all of those, we could do pipe work and road base. It was estimated to remove and process over 100,000 tons of concrete, which again would be recycled and used into the later phases. To limit the traffic in the town and jeopardize the safety of the citizens and minimize our trucking costs, to barge dirt in with this barge operation, we are going to import over 100,000 yards of material from different sources up and down the Hudson River. This whole job will be a community at the end of it. Possible hotel, possible retail, definitely condos and townhouses. In the future, when these townhouses and condos are all said and done, they're going to have an amazing view of this Hudson River and this brand new Tappan Zee Bridge. AMEC is diverse in many ways. We do site work, we do demolition, we do recycling. We strive for excellence in our work. We accomplish jobs ahead of schedule. We save the owner's money. We're very unique in that sense.